Is the Bitcoin price ready to move here already into higher levels, or will we see here really soon a pretty heavy rejection to the downside? And I have found a chart that is scaring the shit out of me that we definitely have to talk about. And guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell. And now let me show you what I have found here. So first of all, on the 4-hourly chart, the 1-hourly chart that we are on here, we can clearly see, based on the VPVR, the volume profile, that the Bitcoin price is running here into some resistance. So here you can see it a little bit better now because of the price action. So in this resistance, this resistance is coming in from this area. So from this area, we are getting right now resistance, and that is also the reason why the Bitcoin price is keep getting rejected when we try to enter here into this range, and is now slightly trading around the bottom of that resistance range, so which is also the top of this volume traded area from the past, from 21,300 all the way up to 21,580 approximately. So, and the Bitcoin price has to break above $21,900 to clear that range and to continue to move here into higher levels. Otherwise, we could see in the not so distant future a rejection back to $21,200, $21,000 in that kind of range here, because there we have the next volume-based support. But if that support is not holding, then we will go down to key support level, which we find all the way down here at $20,400. So, but this is only the 1-hourly chart. Let me see where I have here the 4-hourly chart. I think it's here. No, it's a daily. Here, 4-hourly chart. So also here on the 4-hourly chart, you can see that we have still key resistance levels also above us that are already kicking in here and holding the price down around $22,400 all the way up to $22,765. So you can argue and say that we have also here right now a small rising wedge, something like this. So, and if this rising wedge breaks to the downside, as it should be, then the target would be also $21,000 approximately around this level. So, but like I said, also from there is support coming in. So we can see this if I draw here a line. So here, that area, from here, there. So now that we broke this level again, it should act as support, and we should see a bounce from that if we come down all the way to this $20,900, $21,000 level. So what I am doing right now with my trades, right now I don't have any trades open, but I definitely look for trades that I can open right now. So, but I want to wait what's happening tonight with the weekly close before I make a decision if I enter now a trade or not, because we have here some bearish signs. So we have here this rising wedge that is concerning me to open here a trade. So, but the short trade would not make a lot of sense just for $500 because I want to open a more longer term trade. So, and I don't believe that it goes then much lower in the short term at least. And to the upside, I want to see a clear break above $21,700 before I open a long position for the long term, because you can see here. So here, this is kind of, I'm suck at drawing. So you see here $21,700, $800. That's kind of the level that I'm looking at for a long term, long position. So if you want to enter with me that kind of trade, guys, don't forget that you can still get $4,550, so $100 more than yesterday on BYBIT with my specific link here, and on BitGet still $8,000 and 50% discount on the fees, also only with that specific link, guys. So definitely take advantage of that if you want also to support the channel, that I can keep making these videos. So let me show you on the weekly chart why I'm heavily concerned here for the Bitcoin price. First of all, we all know that we are potentially forming here this W formation. Everybody on YouTube is already talking about this. So, and that we also have to break above $23,000 to complete the W pattern, because the W pattern itself, the breakout would be around $24,400, but the 200 weekly EMA here in yellow is in our way. So first we have to clear that on the weekly before we can then break out of the W pattern to the upside. So, and here comes now why that might be tricky and actually dangerous if we are longing right now the Bitcoin price. So the problem that I have with this is that this is a lot of resistance that is coming in here. We have the resistance from this falling wedge coming in here that we need to break at $22,200. We have the 200 weekly EMA at $23,500. And we have then also to break the neckline at $24,400 of the W pattern. To confirm this double bottom that we are seeing here right now. So, and my problem is that we have seen something like this in the past year already. So we have seen also here a double bottom and came then here to this downward sloping resistance line of our falling wedge and could not follow through with that impulsive move here for a breakout, got rejected and went then into this multi-month downtrend here on the weekly chart. So, and this is now the second attempt that we are seeing where we try to break out. So, but we could see a similar scenario what we have seen here, and then we are in for further downwards move, potentially to the bottom of this falling wedge before we see then a reversal and then actually go here into higher levels. So that's why this weekly close is really, really important for the Bitcoin price. To see if we are able to close the weekly candle that we have here as it is and to push with the next weekly candle already out of this triangle, falling wedge, and above the 200 weekly EMA to get here a confirmation that we will complete this W pattern and also have already smashed 2 out of 3 key resistance areas that we need to break to confirm this reversal here on the weekly time frame. So, and that's it for today already, guys. So like I said, I will open a long position around $21,700, but I will keep a close eye on this trade when we approach these resistance areas, these key resistance areas and what's happening there. And I might actually then take partially profits and put these profits back into the trade if I see that we confirming the breakout out of the W pattern, because then I have a really nice long-term position that I can hold to the next all-time high. Guys, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.